प्रातरग्निं प्रातरिन्द्रगुं हवामहे प्रातर्मित्रावरुणा प्रातरश्विना प्रातर्भगं पूषणं ब्रह्मणस्पतिं प्रातः सोमम् उत रुद्रगुं हुवेम. All this is there, no? Valmiki is a great rishi, so he knows Veda pade pade. So he will say, what are all the bali, what are all the havan that day Ram did. So it will say Vaishwadeva Bali. We saw that. Vaishwadeva means Visvedeva. It has to be Nitya Prakriya. So Vaishwadeva Bali using Anna. We have seen using with Ajya, using Vastoshpati Yajna. Then Vishnu Bali, Rudra Bali. That's what it is. Pratar Bhagam Pushanam Brahmanaspatim Pratas Somam Uta Rudragum Huvema Pratarjitam Bhagamudragum Huvema Vayam Putram Aditiryo Vidarta Adraschidhyam Manyamanastuschittam Rajachiddam Bhagam Bakshityaha. Indra, Agni, Bhagha, Pushna, all these devatas you have to do Bali. So I brought this Veda. These are all there. This is what Pandits recite. So I explained you. Next time when your grandkids build a house, make sure the Pandit that does. Because what did it say? If you do this, if you have belief. We can't force people. If you have belief, they will live long. That's why how generations after generations in our age, still the house what we have is granddads and before them in Chennai. That's what I have. Similarly to you, because they have all done this. Okay, that is the reason. Praturvachanam ajnaya lakshmanam paraviraha chakarasa yatoktam Ramaha punarabraviti aineyam sapayastas chalyam yakshyamahevayam Tvaraya saumya muhurtoyam dhruvascha divasopyayam sa lakshmanaha krishna mrigam hatva medyam patapavane atachichepa saumitri samidhe jata vedase. I told you. That's why I recited the Vedic. Samidh, you have to create a Havan. Samidh jata vedase mane who knows everything. Agni knows everything. Agne jata vedase. It is all the simile for Agni. So they lit the Agni and started during the Havan Medyam. For that Medyam, the Medyam is the Mamsa given as an oblation in a sacrifice. He brought Krishna Mrigam, Aineyam.